Let's do the last one for C. Using the first principles, find the derivative of h of x if h of x is equal to 5x minus 8. Now we already know the derivative of h of x here is equal to 5, but we have to follow all the steps. When they say use first principles, we have to follow all the steps. We have our formula, so h prime x, which is derivative of h of x, is lim h approaching 0, and then h of x plus h minus h of x, all this over h. Okay, and then what we do, lim h approaching 0. This does not disappear, it will only disappear after substituting 0. So f of x plus h, where there is x, you put x plus h. Please don't forget even this one. Okay, so where there's x, you put x plus h. So it's going to be 5x plus h minus 8. This is f of x plus h. And then minus h of x. This is h of x. Always put your h of x inside the bracket. Okay, so let's put this in the bracket. 5x minus 8. All this over h, right? Then which is lim h approaching 0. Then 5x plus 5h minus 8 minus 5x plus 8. All this over h, right? 5x minus 5x is 0. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. And then we just remain with lim h approaching 0. And then 5h over h, right? Then h into h is what? Is 1. So we remain with lim h approaching 0, then 5. But now we don't have an h, so this is a constant, so it means we just remain with 5. So the derivative of h of x is equal to 5.